say Abusuapanin na ye tu no na ye de obi fofra ba ye de acting biaba nti ye nti ni ma biase right bese ye twen adwo kwachi kakra ye nhwe emra tama no mko file early no letters of administration no unso omudi Abusuapanin bi din hye honom meboa Alex
Abusuapanin Robert Jenfi
Abusuapanin Robert Jenfi
yes
unim date omo file sa no early no 20
Abusua hi Ghana Info TV so ene dey kan our channel ya make sure so subscribe and like it now dey comment at the comment section honom Abusua na story about social media no so agent na hi pa yem bese mbre no make sure so be come on akoti and yakọ the trend bi e dey aba na ba dey aka no ye ba beto amoso
so o say sesi dey ye celebrate a day obium enye sa enye a celebration of life obium sesi dey ye be celebrate a Akosua Serwaa sa ne game mix way right or start ya check or share sa ploy we as ya check and you hunu kra deda into be ha a start if you omo cloud nana omo be use for a celebration of life no o share initial designs are edi kan buy ya na ewo edin ye den Akosua Serwaa yodo something like that.
Edin Serwaa yodo.
Edin Serwaa yodo.
Ena omdi di o logo no. Etutu musa. Say last year ena right over almost share date we. Almost share date yase. Sa match day no. Say funeral day no ya match. Funeral day ya match. Nti yenim de no mpeso mo ye na ne refi say sisi an cloud no right aba bonten ye hu logo a ewo cloud ni enye Edin Serwaa yodo na osisi ono na yenko celebrate no enye no no de ye ene ne logo nso na dem edi o logo na dem me de manie hu souvenirs ni bi edi o logo nkwa no mo use ye me hu ya gram se me hu omo key holder eno de no ne de and de meeting aka di o logo no t-shirt
with DL's picture and Akosua Serwaa picture
okay enti uko celebrate yi Edin Serwaa yodo no akofa di on so t-shirt ne logo ne club no sign out patch right o yen san come back to interlocutory injunction say ne uti lawyer na o chechere say injunction na cover areas bebre emfa ye ninko celebration of life na say center no sa event center no mbe ne pe souvenirs ne cloth ni bibia kan bi yes yen hot bibia obi entimi ton bibia enti se o ka so ko celebrate Akosua Serwaa obia nu ni bia we have zero qualms but yenya be hu se souvenirs ni bi wo se ken asamaba enti onyai sa na gimmicks no a o play no enfa ni nkosi bibia right ho afide mamenko ma asem no so pa bibia asem ni hia me no me mpese meko injunction bebre because enna omo join life no right ya kasa di we sa ya kan gi we be him se be couple of weeks ago me pese me kai date no was it on 20th February said then Abusuapanin right oma me feedback
oh sorry
Abusuapanin file a rate no unso say of file a rate on the 18th of February by 21st no so was survey nyina or survey o nyina ho no man na me say 5th of March ye ba hanum say obeka right ho me tie lawyer ni court oba o pie ba pe na me say lawyer ide me share say ni o grant interview bi pe na me say I say or ya ni lawyer kusia ye pe.
You said it. You said it. You said it.
You know, how obeka meka cho say coming events cast its shadows before. A global so if you pa. The way a lawyer na start here na penam so we there or the omo ko ditching. Inti se me wo handkerchief white ese me ko pena me de to honom. On for monko baby a. O hwe se ni o kasa last week. O se last week o file
response.
No, about
Now come person your 3 dates in a bra what's
the right word? Kinke crack.
Bridgement of time.
Abridgment of time.
Oh, kinke. Right, where's any okasa ya? Opiefi honom no okasa ya. Now where's any okasa ya? As a ne de okasa te seme. You was the right me estamon. What does he? The ya na lawyer na kasa ne no. As obi a wako boxing ring ma ya bono. Right. Ti okasa nyina obekasa ne niaka. Because why fasting be over 30 days more than Jesus Christ. Asem na okono una oko courtroom. Talk to your fans. Can the oko
What's your review friend Popomiasis da? I say be the nan all display no.
Right. Inti asem na oko court ye catch on. Catch your fans no. Legal wise for ne dey right o omuni abotre o. O start say pe o kona o lose first fight say pe o make say mu change lawyer. Mu change lawyer. John.
Rolling.
Yes.
I know kasa on platform to me kasa sini.
Right. Send lawyer ye there. Me ameti there nyame wala. Because ya kasa and no kwa kawasi Alexander Boss you say the law is the law, right? And never be insisa emrane da ho ade ba ko pena na ye me de last week no me ti bibi so no say judge no oba na say oba de me nya ma ne dia na fa because right e ma de me nka say e ma ni bi nje bribe but aya Edin pass oba obe kose man and man no so no right we ma de ba komo ye unse Ghana ye practice ye common law what I say intino enye te say emrane se ne emrane kana na judge no so betena on man ye ka say the law is the law lies in the bosom of the judge no so the common sense be den e be kan but unim dia ema judges ne right okwa the law no kame pepepe no wasan kohwe president the bia sida otam ye na no dia bo say bam ompe problem bia intimi hu say judge ne your ba penam say kai afa e mani di untitie yi bebre bia because right ade bi honoma ya kasa yes the extended family is generally considered to have the authority, right, or authority over funeral arrangement and the body of the deceased and society or merenim. Extended family, yankasi nuclear family, right, or emna yakadiwe wa asi. Yankasi immediate family. And I made cry the makasi immediate family means Gen Z for brofwa. Because you go school, you go social studies, and cultural studies, no. You see a nuclear family and extended family. Me ankoti immediate family. Yenya ban yaba besha right home brofo and immediate family.
It's not applicable to us. And yeah,
you side man. What you doing as right? Mona makofa sa brofo na ba. Sadi we say and sign. Baby a ube kubia no loan ye customary loan right e bo se bam. Nti kan say Abusuapanin no untimi nyini mfimu da. When it comes to family matters. No way. Untimi nyini mfimu. Into omu kwedi ni enim so omu kwa say ya no mubenya because them na ye kan wa say right interlocutory injunction adjournment nyamba say ken interlocutory injunction so beba ho what you say judge ni be wule wo nti we dey nyame mama baby a me de ma asem ne be fa no right me pese uti asem bi pa na yen hwa de bi because court no ruling yi ba ye wants a letters be a PAP meboa say Abusuapanyin na ye tu no na ye de obi fofra ba ye de acting bi aba nti ye nti ne ma bi ase right because ye twen adwo kwachi kakra ye nhwe emra tama no mko file early no letters of administration no unso omu de Abusuapanyin bi din hye honom meboa Alex
Abusuapanin Robert Jenfi
Abusuapanyin Robert Jenfi
Yes.
unim date omu file sa no early no 23rd January 2025 sorry 23rd December sorry
Yeah, December.
23rd December
Serwaa, I'm filing at 22nd December 2025 at 3 p.m.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And to share Abusuapanyin din na ehye on ma right o sani obo ne din no wan Abusuapanyin den
Robert Jennifer.
Robert Jenfi wo fire
poku ona na ne din so ona na say o ye Abusuapanyin. Okay, fast forward. Abusuapanyin Kofi Wusu so ono so ko file na rate no 18th of February 2026 eno o survey Akosua Serwaa Akosua Brempoma Papa Shi ena Abusuapanyin ya poku enti rahel no survey mo no mka mo je letter ne pe na nka mo busa Abusuapanyin sa Abusuapanyin locus ene ne den ena de letter ya bre uni ho kwan kra say o file rate bi kra court because you are no more the Abusuapanyin rahel ti nkomoni ye pa maje ma responde ma court ma fe de mo court wie ya ma be ka che say ono kra no na Abusuapanyin kra ye tune 11th of March. Does it make sense? Rahel, does it make sense? Inti kinke asamo kan and say aya minimum omo advice sometimes I me dream one me because Rahel almost 30 agro na no so we say there koto amenem ni pa kono wan kasa wa file early wan kasa wo de Abusuapanyin din ahye ho say Abusuapanyin ya Jenfi say ya poku ana ma head udi ni din ahye ho
Serwaa, it is because they know say you untimi mfa obi edi nkoshe eyise oyewe wobreko a amamre mu no unim se onye Abusuapanyin. So probably was just something they were just trying because
something they were just trying. Odi asemo court o. What file early no a high court. Also something you were just trying. Okay. And
Serwaa, they actually swear an affidavit. And in everyone say they can go to the extent of doing this because swearing under oath, na unim says adia who can if anybody decides to even take them on when it comes to that crap one. That's also another subject of discussion.
Right. O de yemfa no nso to hono. Mo se mo kotu Abusuapanyin 11th of March. What you say, right? Mo court no. Meaning that se mo se mo acting Abusuapanyin. Menti bi da. Se bi o hodem dia me de menim. So wo acting Abusuapanyin dia. Adinti na wo court bi no wan kan judge ne se Abusuapanyin kura no. O file na no ye Abusuapanyin, but say so onye Abusuapanyin bi mu. Enti case ni kura yentimi nto aso ni. Ade na wo lawyer no wan kasa asem na nche lawyer na wo court no wan kan judge no ho no. O to aso edi asem no. Uluzi ye na wo ye say injunction no. Ye grant me Abusuapanyin pe quickly na wakofa letter bi aba abonten say afi de monya acting Abusuapanyin ye friend say ya kwabena brief na say say edin kwabena brief we kra ye mfa ni Abusuapanyin man nye yi Rahel. I tell you edin kwabena brief we ye mfa ni Abusuapanyin. What does it? Etin kofo de bi ameka Rahel almost 30 agora no say we mu di amene mu no mokoto.
Serwaa.
Say odeti right odeti me ka say di kwamra brefo ye mfa ni Abusuapanyin na quickly no ma ko say ni di no si Jones na si Jones the acting movie ye mfa ni Abusuapanyin Rahel enti ye nkrofo we die me ka cho so na ode wo kala no tu omufo mu betie ensem bebreba ye ka wa na nkomuti a right anke beboa ye nyina ho Abusuapanin no yi ni fi ma enye yie se ne ya mpanifo kase ye untimi nsan kokrumuti ho mopo no sa na tie right aka mfo nsem no mo ka no ye ntie bi enye nyame ya adom amakotrantra brochire ni ye fo se mo kwa brochire na ese mo customs ne mo yi ni nyina mo refi right me pa cho
And so rolling, you see, sir. The reason why I deal with I so difficult for them is because Abusuapanin onya you. And you know it is difficult to tie him down with Adiebi abetimi aka say we na Abusuapanin ya me gina so say me too no na asem na ogina so no ye asem a emu odua obetimi agina so de atu no. You see, that is why all these things akoye back and forth because Abusuapanin ye bibia anka said na nana beka yi foko na wasam ko bo mama na Abusuapanin ye say why say intino mpeni bioma na bibi na afei it brings it back to the time case you talk about it and then the outcome no will be determined, but in this case no, because almost any locus no, they are just I don't know probably social media and no more yet there I don't want
also where you acting Abusuapanin right unim say where you acting Abusuapanin there asantememu na wo no asantememu so no the overlord right nana otumfo right when timia mfana nkokyere nana se nana se de nya acting Abusuapanin hwi unya ho kwa atro letter koma baba jama and associates say I want to discontinue. Are these people serious, Rahel? Are they serious at all? Abba. Adeba sem krani.
Na rohan almost omutu no perform amamre bi ade na mudi we sisu no de man perform amamre bi am ye hu say amamre we na mo perform ye nothing
Rahel.
Ye hu ya say acting Abusuapanin e bin si da asante mama e bin si da say ye wo anything called acting Abusuapanin
What be that part of it one kwa say kinke tie wahwe Abusuapanin kofi usua Rahel bibia mpusu no makotena meeting mu de manu akase moto no kura mpusu no na lete me lete
Sarah, what you na can say ohene no as chief now no nim customary right no ye the asema beto ho ye se wo yare ye nte wo nka ye hu hwe then appears your signature e wo court I will refer to him as ex at the now mo ye no at the end of the day pesa implicate you
nana asem wo no mu the asem aka se na asem wo signature na asem no Rahel and then Wednesday or Thursday and once and never omu push you on here no
obi kra ba tro say my press conference be about the signature meaning baby say ye ka say ya
I don't know signature no say obi na scan e dia toso into the other yen fair no to one man
very possible
yeah into Rahel my last point ho dia na nka me mpese me ko but ma sha die bi sa Rahel unsa me media medical take stance that me see me team lumba but kese pa show me was soft heart e mo dobroni because of ade ba ko pe intia by right what yen hwa de me pese me do ko first wife no impese ye kwache kaka Alex wa kinkin so a ntomo de me ye koko judgment ni ma me nka paragraph no kwa me yesa me ka sempo me ka so ye we the paragraph we say ye call court no unse judge ne ka se obi ka se 17 years lumba ja Akosua se weja lumba obi ka 15 years 17 years and 19 years a judge ne se obi abit maka date dia o ma sa 3 date we say inti hono no ye busa Akosua se wa se o se be man we no you kuna sa no o se ai onom se okay. How many times and I'll visit no Also, oh, right, tie date ni pa. Also, oh, me visited in 2011. Alex crack and we and we the men kwa kase 2011 biana and Alex da besi me so. Also, me visited in 2011. Right, with ye. Me visited in 2012. Me visited in 2013. And I me be ye me mamie ye 2018. How many times no? Right, how many times? 4 times. Within a space of 17 years, right? In year pound. Ono ne kan o court judgment in the womb. Also visiting 2011, 2012, 2013, 2018. So obey any mammy ye no. Okay. Let me say some along the line okay 2021 better. No, they was same so do airport.
And there be 2021 not came in when they did the press conference. Papa she did 2021 and become.
Sir, also on crowd also do airport na confo issue no attack and say odobo ni say man.
And no a press conference no.
Okay.
It didn't happen in court.
Visiting 4 times. And yes sir. Right here. Shadie. Lumbe wu ye how many months ni?
Seven months. Almost 8 months.
Okay. Ubet ma counting number of times ama Akosua Serwaa bagana.
About 4 times.
It's been about 4 times, yes, I
4
guess.
to 5 times, right? 4 to 5 times.
Yeah.
17 years uknutias no bagana 4 times per day. Wow, they betre.
Even if 4 times in Papa Bois, ni na court ni say throw no try.
Right. Ukunu wu ye no within a space of
No, court na 2 year the 20 way no 11 anyway no per the calculation omo say that number the bar Ghana no.
Yes.
Any the omo kind na say
The only date that was undisputable 2018 pe.
2018.
Nkaini nyina ayentro.
Enti right had within a space of 6 to 7 months ukunu wu ye no. Waba Ghana be 4 to 5 times.
Yes.
Ukunu ni wu ye no. Ukunu ni tiasin over 17 years.
19 years. Only once.
19 years, right? Over 4 times. Per day one kasa kan yo. Ukunu ye right? What visit what bagana kwa more than 4 times. Right? Yesi chire onyonko na menchire osuban. My last point in the bay idea ba konso esan me wanwa pa hwade onwa be file case Ghana. So osi oni ni kru ne nkwa na akoye civil marriage or Germany. Into bien ntimi nware ni bi nka ho. So do boni ba ho say ken asemasi oyo so on TB da. Oni ni kru ni pena civil marriage in 2004 or Germany. Right hade. Enti say sister video do boni say oba be wi ani kru ni dia. Or the be court. Right or file a court rate no I think it was on the 3rd of October.
Yeah, 3rd of October. Yeah.
Good. Not Shadie. From 3rd of October, Emra judgment number out. No, it was 30th or no 28th November. What else? Until I think virtually 2 months. Meboa. Say 2 months. 2 months, you know. When see court what that. Who also be a beju ukunu no. Tibra beka waka sa wasem. Unu ukunu ne ware. Mona mote modem. Nti una onim se ni ade ne tie. Right? When see courtroom what that. By she awade na esi ye. Yes, ye be celebrate ukunu no. Ye celebrate no. Saturday and Sunday. Because ye releasing to ma ye ton to mano. Ye fo say this kabeba we dey be ya ma ya ba be jinsa na gwepoto we dey nsa no enko ba bia Akosua square for na be chiska no enko Abusuapanin obi quickly na Rahel odu Ghana no so no wanko ba bia o wanya ho kwan enne wasensi court so kutie injunction no na ye clear road no mo wi a wanya ho kwan da be jijiska Odo aware sem call 2 months and went to mensio. Ye be ruling junction into any yembra because then I started ton cloud near the discover souvenirs why about beton. What you say? Also, Bocras why you see Scacramano. Oba beje. Quickly and you nyahu. What do courts?
Sa also boni say or say certain contempt.
So that but you do see our most body and dear. You find chef fridge, you send a homocano. Or on the right. And then Marcus say, wa edu court, Okutie injunction. A year no sooner way you. Because ya di can't say yes, we never see any. O man in a yebusian for. A year in a way ye. Wa somebody call court no right? Wa semono. Wa somebody call court no. You do or you never appeared. Wama, but will be a year or so by John Faswadi. Or do honum. Enti, me can some way in area, Namasa Kyle say. Oko kind judgment na paragraph 150. 150. Judge ne casting be honum. Or say. Mami awade wase ma backward. Ukunu no na onene nkwa na te dem. Enna se ne ya right or yekano. There are two sides to a story.
Yeah.
Una wa be jina na wa kan sem ne de right na dia ba ko ma dia ba ko eme won pa. Ma ko se wa call court no. Onu nkwa right onu nkwa na egbo game no.
Yeah.
Because opponent na onene be bo no. Ene oni wa kana no atum. Dia wontimi nkasa. Oh. Enti one kasa wo evidence kwa right wo de buy a crown. Wa evidence yes fabra wo de buy a crown. Yeah, cross examination here in Marital. It turned out to be false. One would do one way on one dance here, right? I can't question Okobo football, right? Opponent nama. And I'm watching one ball. Now I was say own goal.
What's your own goal?
Own goal na make us or share and then they say Uko say Ukunu or Ghana and went to Mama Ghana because now you loans. It turned out to be false. You cast for evidence, but I went to man provide the receipt back or cry. Even bank no cry muji loan cry went to man provide it. Georgina na beka unse man na okenyi na ode man Georgina so meka wo kuma papa bi Akosua brempoma nso no edu o yesi loan e sen 100,000 euros yebusa Georgina so 50,000 bank ben umi no obi entimanka receipt no e also ye ba na eja o Germany na o back court na o se ode den e ba beche right ho yen fe no nto nchen Alex ka die bi wa hanum sei enra o ka che se ukun o relocate Eba Ghana in 2013. Ye trimu said then also 2013 or relocate ye. One kasa so na wasa show addresses ni mu say o visit ukun in 2011 and 2012. Enti judge ni busa say in 2011 2012 o buy one na visit no because o say ukun ba 2013. Enti na hono na make so ongo na bemu no. Or taught the whole of Ghana any legal wives in Germany, UK, and USA. Only kuta the original marriage certificate. The marriage certificate and can soon put that. Because what me a photocopy the check court. And then I court and I say judge and say okay. Wait me your photocopy the arrival. Original now the photocopy no for original and arrival. Say then no the bad there now what ben or the original na bad there meaning.
Onibi.
What you are until me own go no so no. Ebi no. Right. Okofa brempoma by my brempoma ka say odo broni ya o kache Ghana for say aware no onware no me na menua be ma no wanware no na judge ni say odo broni say wo frɛ no kuma akrante kuma ti da bi judge kuma de me se menti bi mpo da me frɛ ni bi da oye mpena he de na mko frɛ no kuma me menti bi da rayo ye bo audio ni che ni say wo na frɛ sister ye kuma no o ti asem o kan also voice ni de me aba asem ni de me se me na me kan ya you know. Right. Enti entronkwa nchina mkacho so washe ongo no ukunu no onko wo no ma no be opponent no obe defend no ni ho nko afa onsem bra court na be kan kro kra no wentimi enti me ka kire wo se oba Ghana be ka kire Ghanaian se oni ni kun joint ownership bi wo ma right to boase because sister ya Akosua se wasem na making okase otua loans wentima fa receipt ama okase otua mortgage wentima fa receipt ama okase our original marriage certificate onun kwani ni kuna civil marriage in Germany right when man provide evidence Abusuapanin a mo se one bema oni lumba nkasa over 20 years se ne mo nkasa mo kan Rahel obeka kire se me di hye ya mo kasa nse oye irresponsible man no enya sa no tie Abusuapanin ko court Rahel unim se or the receipt every month bia deal SSA cedis eco euros e de send ne ma eco to fees every month Abusuapanin to me the evidence ko Akosua brempoma ya odi ne begina wakuma ya ase wonti ne hujai usande begina akoso media dance ma no obedi ho akinye Rahel say odobro ni so ka kire se ne ba no woni 2011 a judge on ka no kre sister ye ogina on ka no kre da na judge ni se no woni ye ben o se mia na meton eniema koma akola no wo no o woni 2013 wa woni 2011 on ka no kre Rahel odobro ni so okay ene hold your beer China meba Rahel okoyi ne research okoyi ne passport bio side no capture passport ni German passport shren akra ne hwe ye woma 2011 December owie no de birth certificate so ye den esa ka ho enti sa ma mi onu we se ni tam kan se che onyon kra me che usuba uyi ba ku gina wono ma enye yie omo mi enu nyi na wo be ha omo na mbo mu no na ade ba ku bi omo ye ne se ene no un se san so omo no celebration of life no na ba ko no prepare grounds no nti ono no de wontima ankoko to bi but Rahel ya za onu de ntia ankoko to no kokko tanka oni masama na bantia but ene Wednesday ochina Thursday send ya let's no Ghana be ye the brutal ebeba ochina ni Friday no omo so fa plan say Rahel ochina ni Friday no person omo ye shenanigans bi as omo scheme bi omo si appeal bi omo dada omo fans no ansa no omo nwen ho no Baba Jama for no metwa mu ho de dada the omo start omo person omo ye nyina omo hu so the omo say omo ko celebrate ma Akosia Serwaa obi antimi say Rahel obi mu tiase ye celebrate omo de bia but omo hwe say the souvenirs ye bi pie ade na say ken asembeba na me kai wo say me de manu say me kai wo say ye remfie the marriage certificate wa ba dia ye pancho on famna na ye nyina ye hu na yesa kai na se enche na 1 year no asun July enche bi ebeba July no say ken e mane me kan kire se onu waka kire se oni ni kun o ma ye joint ownership Rahel or the evidence ne baba be kire yen e mane me kan se ayira se ne certificate ne ira no e mane me kan se ayira se ne mortgage receipt went man farmer no e mane me kan kire se ayira se ne loans no receipt went man farmer no ya bet trends and joint ownership say properties be o bia of so ni kun joint ownership bia on for evidence na me kire ye metie say na eto baby na me kun ye ware 90s 80s ni ye ye pen wetie bi also evidence wo on for me kire na obi obeka cho so obi die me passport trends or the be kire wansa ansa no waginedi Rahel medase.
Thank you, Sir Joe. Thank you so much, Sir Rolling. Sir Joe Pesoko, but I think this
we need a trend Ghana Info TV akofa edi bia besom our channel yi so ansa na me so no me sure so be like obe share no subscribe and ntwe bia obi ano fat comment section na say e fama me emrepem no making kan area mo akra mo